Hi guys, welcome back for another video in which I'm going to show you how I've created this beautiful commission piece that I've created for this lovely lady from Florida. And the title credits go to my friend, my dear friend Stuart Clement. By looking at this, he titled it Sapphire Black River Flowing Through a Land Made of Jewels. And it's absolutely, I resonate with this title. I think it suits perfectly. So thank you, Stuart, for the title. Okay, let's get started. So the preparation of the project as follows. First, I tape the back of the canvas. Then I'm gonna paint the canvas with white flow acrylic paint. And after that, I will lay out the design of the stones, the colors, the lines. And after that, I will mix a little bit of resin and hardener and start sprinkling the stones, attaching them to the surface of the canvas. And as you can see, the way I sprinkle the clear resin is sort of like in crisscross position. So this is easier to sort of like really what's important not to flood them, as if you really flood the stones, they will lose the luster. So this is very important to remember. So now I mix resin and start tinting the dark, the navy design of the canvas, of the composition, and silver, as well as I mix some glitter for the lines, and I will post the colors in the description below. And this, the reason is easier to paint a canvas, so it will create much richer velvety look, and it's not gonna, because even if I'm using very heavy pastes, not the powders, it's still gonna see through the canvas. But now, since I painted the background, let's say this portion is blue, sapphire blue, and now I'm pouring sapphire blue mixed resin, and it creates this beautiful, beautiful, velvety, very rich, very thick surface, and it's not showing through. So now I'm gonna pour the silver lines. They became a little bit messy, but not to worry, because once you start using pencils on top, it will hide the imperfections, and you're gonna do some corrections. I did a few coats of different touch-ups, and so just I will show you in the process. And if you like to skip this video to the next chapter, to the next stage, so use the timestamps below to skip to the next step. So here I'm pouring and spreading with the popsicle stick the white, and sort of like kind of you can help with the fingers. You can use popsicle, you can use brushes, whatever is convenient for you. And to get rid of the bubbles, of course, you use the heat gun, as so. And kind of you can also move the resin around with the heat gun. But mainly I'm using here, also I spray with alcohol, it gets rid of the bubbles. Now I mix a little bit of just clear resin with a lot of silver glitter, and I will outline, I will create a separate line over the silver around the edges of the stones. And I am pouring it in the plastic bag, and then it's better to wait about 10 minutes until it starts getting gummy, but don't overdo it. You just kind of like, you know, you start feeling it, you chug. I probably let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then you start pouring the lines so they don't run all over. So they just create a little bit more perfect line if you wait 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. So I let the silver to sit for 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna sprinkle the stones a little more with the leftovers of clear resin, and I'm gonna add some more stones to create a little more luster. I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, to create more shine. That's simpler for me. So this is going to be another coat of lines, sparkly lines. I just mix some more resin with the sparkle and just going to add some more lines, make some corrections. So here I am pouring the lines over the silver. This is a glitter lines, as so, from the plastic bag. So you cut the end of the plastic bag, very small cut, and then you will gently squeeze it out and spread it through the lines, as so. And this is the result after I poured this glitter over the color already. And it's laying on the sun, and it's just incredible sparkle. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Oh la 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 la. And then I'm gonna pour the first lines, and then the flat coat, and it's gonna be lines again, and then flat coat again. So everything looking fantastic, and I decided to add some colors. So I'm just using, I believe this is a sapphire blue deep navy or something ink. So I poured it in a small cup and just painting the stones with the brush, with the ink. Nothing else in the ink. Just as so, just tap with the brush over the stones very gently. And it really creates this depth. In this situation, in my composition, it just really, I thought it's like missing something around the edges. So you will see the final result. So day 5, I added the glitter line, silver lines, not glitter lines, I'm sorry, the silver lines with the posca pen, and then I did the flat coat, and then I did the silver lines again, and it created, when you do twice, it creates, first of all, it covers the imperfections, and then it creates a nice shadow underneath those lines, like kind of 3D effect, the depth. And yes, and then you do the lines again, and it creates this absolutely fantastic, perfect piece. Perfect surface. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you enjoy this video, if you enjoy the process, if you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section below. And yes, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and give me a comment, and thank you so much again. Bye bye.